Which of the following gives the sum of the polynomials a squared plus b squared plus ab and quantity 3a squared plus 4ab minus 2b squared? A squared plus b squared plus ab. Pag nakakita kayo ng ganito, i-arrange nyo muna. Dapat before ng b squared, mauna muna yung may a. Okay? Para nasa standard form ka. So, ito is a squared plus ab. At be careful po sa signs, plus b squared. Tapos, ito naman, i-add mo. Meron kang 3a squared plus 4ab minus 2b squared. So, ano ang mangyayari? Magkakaroon ka a squared. At ito pong a, may 1 po dito. May 1 po yan. Kapag wala ko ngayon nakikita ng number, may 1 po dyan. Ayan. Kasi a times 1 is equal to a, pero may 1 po yan dyan. Ayan. So, 1 plus 3, this is 4a squared plus 1 plus 4, this is 5ab. And then, 1 plus minus 2 is minus b squared. Ayan. So, nakikita na po ninyo kung nasaan ang tamang sagot. Ang tamang sagot ay nasa letter D. Letter D po ang tamang sagot.